I want to move to Las Vegas. How soon can I own a home in Las Vegas? What happens if I need to sell my home in a different state first and then buying a house in Las Vegas? If these are your questions, then you have to watch this video from beginning to end. Hi, this is Veronica Suarez, your trusted realtor in Las Vegas, and I am so glad to answer the most common questions of those who are planning to move to my beautiful neon city. I need to sell my home in California in order to move to Las Vegas. What can I do? First, please know that we can refer you to great listing agents in the city where you are going to sell your residence. Second, if you need financing to buy a home in Las Vegas, I'll be glad to introduce you to reputable loan officers who will provide you different financial scenarios to take the best decision. Third, I invite you to spend a couple of days in Las Vegas in order to become familiar with the city, the areas, amenities, and everything that my neon city has to offer. This way, you will only concentrate in the properties that indeed match your criteria and start the house hunting. Fourth, list your home in California, and once that you get in contract, we will be ready to submit offers in Las Vegas. Now, let's talk about the closing of your out-of-state property and the different scenarios when purchasing your home in Las Vegas. 1. You can close the purchase of your new home in Las Vegas and complete the sale of your house in California or any other state simultaneously. 2. You can also buy your home in Las Vegas prior to completing the sale of your out-of-state property. This is if the available funds for down payment and closing costs are not contingent upon each sale. 3. You can also sell your house out of the state first and then move to Las Vegas. To get a free list of requirements for conventional investment or first-time buyer loans in Las Vegas, please click the link noted in the description of this video. Whichever is your real estate goal and time to fulfill it, we're here to serve you. A last disclosure is that I am a realtor, not a lender. However, I'll connect you with very good loan officers that will provide you the best financing options to buy your home in Las Vegas. See you very soon.